everyone, and a warm welcome to my channel once again. Today I am super excited because I will be sharing a fantastic earning opportunity where you can work from home. If you are really interested, then go ahead, pause this video for a second, grab your pen and paper and sit down and listen on, because this is going to change your life forever. I am Maria Pawar, the founder of Career Achievers Hub. I have been an international trainer and trained over 60,000 people worldwide, covering 130 different nationalities. I have got into this earning platform a month and a half, 45 days ago, and I have begun earning. So would you like to try that as well? Because all said and done, the year 2019 was a year full of trials and tribulations where many people, about 21 million people lost their jobs. There were salary cuts, businesses have shut down. Simultaneously, there have been many businesses that have been thriving during COVID. So today I would like to share with you this fantastic opportunity where you can earn Ethereum daily and you can become a millionaire by sharing this Ethereum smart contract. Now, to give you a little bit of an insight into what we are talking about and how you need to go about it before you attend our business presentation, this is an online earning opportunity for you today. And it works on the decentralized blockchain. So let's see how we can start earning. Remember, guys, if you do not take the risk, that's the biggest risk. So today I'm asking you to open up your mind and look at how you will start earning and why you need to earn on this platform. So let's see, what am I talking about? What is this Ethereum I'm talking about? Well, Ethereum is a digital centralized money and you get everything online. It is the second largest currency after Bitcoin. Now, if you can see over here, in the year 2020, in November, it was 92,501. And just before that, in August, it was 58,446 rupees. Now, as I speak to you currently, it is at 96,400. Mind you, the value of this Ethereum is rising and it is going up. They have estimated it to go up to about 1.5 lakhs. So it is on the rise. And this is your time. If you do not start on this platform, you might just miss out. These are our two famous couples and our leaders on our academy who have started this learning academy with millions of others worldwide, and together they have earned $32,000 in 5 months. When you join our business presentation, Ryan and Sandra will be running through this presentation with you and giving you tips and tricks on how to earn on this fantastic platform. And they will educate you and empower you with this new knowledge, information, and technology. So I'm asking you this one question. Are you ready to learn something outside of your current job? You do not need a diploma, you do not need a certification, you do not need an MBA, you basically do not need any qualifications to get on this platform. I don't have any qualifications either, but I am learning, I am growing, and I am earning. So the choice is yours. 95,003 in November, when the crisis was so bad, this person has earned $2,213. Can you imagine this kind of earnings during COVID? Well, on this platform you can. So what is it that you need? All you need is the internet and all you need is a phone. And of course, I want you to promise yourself you will take out 1 hour to dedicate towards this. Because honestly speaking, guys, there is no free lunch. You have to put in that effort. If I have your promise that you will put in that effort, well, then go ahead and click on the link below that I give you to check out if you are eligible to attend our business presentation. So get your pen and paper ready. Imagine I'm taking you back to the year 2014. In the year 2014, I'm sure many of you must have owned a mobile phone. Yes? So if we take it for example that in the year 2014, you bought your phone for approximately 8,000. I'm sure you must have bought, some people must have bought a more expensive phone, some must have bought a more reasonable phone, but accordingly, yes, we did have the money in the year 2014 to purchase a mobile phone, because right now we can't live without it. Let's be honest, right? Okay, so you bought your phone in 2014 for approximately 8,000 rupees. Now, imagine if you could have bought the same worth of money that you invested on your phone in something called Ethereum. Don't worry, I've got your back here. All I'm trying to do over here is to empower you with this knowledge. So in the 2014, with your mobile phone, if you would have bought a digital currency called Ethereum, in that year, the Ethereum was valued at 50 rupees. If any of you can remember, what is the value of that Ethereum today? And what was the amount I put up on the previous slide? You could put it down in the comments below. That means you are paying attention. So with that 8,000 rupees, if you divide it by 50, you could have easily have bought 160 Ethereums. Wow, isn't it? Now with the value of that one Ethereum today, as I speak to you in 2021 January, multiply that 92,000 into 160. See if you can do the calculation and the maths, and write down how much you would have earned in now 2021. This was your lottery. Literally, it was your lottery. And those people who struggled with their jobs during COVID, those people who lost their jobs, those people who had a salary cut, they could have banked on this lottery and used this money to be able to pay off debts, to be able to manage their daily expenses, to be able to give their child that pizza and that burger that they longed for. But what did we lack, guys? What did we lack? We lacked the knowledge. Me too. In 2014, if I had the knowledge about Ethereum, I would have definitely have bought it. That was one missed opportunity. And sometimes these missed opportunities can be very, very expensive. So go ahead and ask your questions on how you are going to get this financial freedom. And for you to get an entire understanding where we will empower you is we will invite you to our business presentation which will be held by Ryan and Sandra. Remember, it's never too late. Are you going to take action now or are you going to wait? If you're going to wait, you're going to miss out. You are going to find this opportunity to be very expensive for you and your family. And that is one of the reasons why some people do not succeed. Because right now, with advanced technology and the era that we all are living in, we all have a mobile phone, we all have the internet, and we all have access to all the information that is there at the tips of a finger. But because we lacked knowledge, we did not know what to look for. And what do we do with all this information that is there? We use it for our entertainment. Today, I want you to open up your mind to educate yourself and empower yourself on this revolutionary technology, where you and I and everyone else on this platform is earning, will earn daily and instantly on the blockchain by referring these smart contracts. Now let me explain to you in a little bit more detail of how we go about this referral and what does it mean. Before I say that, I want you to understand that Ethereum is the world's second largest currency. And I want you to type down in the comments below or write it down in your journal. Why? Why do you want to earn this second source of income? Why do you want to earn this extra money? Who is it for? What is it for? Because those dreams of becoming a millionaire, those dreams of traveling on a luxurious holiday, those dreams of buying your new home, those dreams of buying a car that you always wanted for your mom, they can be and will be materialized on this platform. So are you ready? Let's see. What do we have to do? All we have to do is share the Ethereum smart contract. Now, I'm sure many of you must have heard of GPay, Google Pay, Beam, Ola, referring Ola app, Uber app. What do you get? Some of the apps give you money. Some of the apps give you discounted travel, like on Uber and Ola, you get a discounted travel rate. Wow! And for that, minimal amount of 50 rupees or 150 rupees, we tell our family and friends. Isn't that right? If you agree with that, just say yes, right, I agree with you, Maria. Why not go ahead and share the Ethereum smart contract where you will earn per referral over 3,000 rupees. Now I want you to think about it for a minute. Would you rather earn 150 rupees or would you rather earn 3,000 rupees? The choice is yours. Because this program is a solution to the unique problems of 2020. It is called the Matrix Recycler Program, where your earnings are guaranteed, where you do not have to wait for 30 long days, where you do not have to meet any targets. And you know what is the cherry on the cake in this? That as you keep becoming stronger and you buy those slots and you go up, there is a possibility of you earning 50 lakhs per partner, one person. All of this will be explained to you in our business presentation by Ryan and Sandra. But yes, there is one huge disadvantage to this Matrix Recycler program, and that is you need to put in the work. It's as simple as that. If you cannot dedicate 1 hour to this, please do not click on the link that I am providing you, because you will not be eligible for earning on this fantastic platform. And those questions have been put there for a simple reason, is to understand whether you really need and want this money or not. So this Matrix Recycler program is a solution. Let us look at solutions and let us stop finding problems. Let's leave all the problems out of our mind. We have started the new year on a very nice note, 2021. Who knew 2020 was going to be a year full of problems, sickness, deaths, stress? This is your solution, people. And the solution is, if you really care, you will share. So start caring and start sharing the Ethereum smart contract, where you will begin to earn 3,000 rupees per sharing. I would like to thank you all for attending this short little video, and where you can make all those dreams of yours come true by sharing the Ethereum smart contract. Thank you so much. Bye bye. This is Maria with you once again.